What is up, guys? Jamaica Rest Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here again with Abra Cadabra featuring Kush. The song is called How We Living. Link to the full song is going to be in the description down below. So please click on the link and hear the full song. I will be pausing it every 10 seconds. Big up myself, Abra, big up myself, Kush, big up myself, the whole OFB. Abra, I will be reacting to all of your song them where you drop after the EP and more. All of them. If you don't like it, bite it. Big up myself, G. Big up myself. So, I could just jump shit in. We're not wasting no more time. Let's go. So the water is here. And the lighter is here, as always. So let's go, man. Let's go, bro.
You know why boy Ace made it.
Show.
Big up Suave, filmed by Suave again. Suave, you put in the work with the G, then big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself, the whole production team. Let's go.
Kush. Yo, I started from the flats, nigga. Grew around some straps and some tap niggas. Any violation, let it slap, nigga.
Yo, that was unexpected. That was unexpected. Man say, yo, I started from the flat, nigga. You see me? Ready for tap, nigga. You see me? Yeah, and yeah, boy, on the ready? On the run up now. Come. That's the boss I say now. Coach, make up myself. But like how you jumping. Let's go again.
Yo, I started from the flats, nigga. Grew around some straps and some tap niggas. Any violation, let it slap, nigga. Grew into a trap, nigga. Circling, I'm flying out these packs, nigga.
Any violation, ready for hey, sclam, ready. Yo, right now, I elevate my thing. Remember, I started from the flats, you know, from the estate, you know. So right now, I elevate my thing. Trap, nigga. Money, man, I make. Money, moolah, bang, let's go.
Only watch myself, not a fuck, nigga. I trap, get my stack bigger. Run off on the plug, I need a stuff kicker. Never watch karma, run my tough hitter. Pray.
Yo, the man say, run off for the plug. You don't know. You don't know, dog. You don't know. Lyrics are chop already. Song just start, lyrics are chop already. Let's go.
Yeah, I done enough sinner. Bake off my brain like I'm stuck in a maze. Ain't do this shit for fame, I do it all for a change.
Abra, wait now. Abra, wait, man. Abra, wait. Him said something a while ago.
Sinner, bake off my brain like I'm stuck in a maze. Ain't do this shit for fame, I do it all for a change.
The man say, yo, me not do this for fame, dog. I'm alive, this brother. I'm alive. It's not a play thing. Me not do it for fame. Me could hear what the G said now.
To tap triggers and slap niggas. I roll with tap niggas. Going up, I only tried to make my stat bigger. Don't remember giving a fuck about being that nigga.
Never give a fuck about being that nigga. What about something back of the thing? Never give a fuck about being that nigga. Brother, when me grew up, me have to learn to knock it pan boy. Cause you don't know it's a cold street we living out here, so we out here start do we thing, dog. You see me? We out here do we thing, yeah. Trap nigga. Money man I make out here. Money!
But I'm still that anyway. My man was bad, but back in the day, he a granddad now. I put my strap in his face if I'm.
You get that a while ago? You get that? The man said, listen to me, dog. Back in the days, you was the G, you was the dad. Me, growing up, I was still going to school. And people rate you. Now the man don't rate you, everybody rate me. And if you try give me a chat, me put me strap in your face. Try know that you're a granddad now. You're not bad. You're not bad anymore. Right now, a rich badness, different elevation of badness, different generation of badness we're dealing with now. We run the streets, brother. Let's go.
We running up, slapping, we clapping, we hanging and pulling in cars. I'm banging and slapping the laser beams on his ass.
Hear the flow change quick? Let's go.
Been trapping and stacking, I'm making it happen, I'm charged. No chitting and chatting, I'm doing this all for my heart.
Yo, me I do this from my heart. I do it from my heart. Me I do it for the love. You see me? Cause me have to do it anyway. Sometimes I just do it for the love. You see me? Alright, let's hear Abra say now.
Bang that whap on the block and got rid of it. Went home and prayed to my God, cause I'm sinning in it.
Say bang him strap on the block. Boom! Quickly get rid of it because you don't know, say, that is evidence against you. So, you have to, officer, don't look too deep into what I say now. Don't look too deep into what I say, officer, please. You see me? Yeah. The man say, yo, I'm life where I live. Big up Big up low key to me just say low key in the video. Big up yourself, my G. OFB low key.
Still see her up the next day and go filling with it. Very vicious cycle, my brother. I'm still living in it.
Still see her up the next day. I still gonna knock him with it. It's a very vicious cycle out here. At the street life, at the street code. We never stop. We're not gonna stop, brother. We're not gonna stop. I just saw the thing set. That's how we choose to live with life, and that's how we are doing it. Let's go.
Stand how we living, how we living, how we living, how we living, how we have to. There's a difference when you living, how you living, and you don't know why you living like this when you don't have to.
Yeah, the chorus catchy. We don't understand how we living, 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 when we have to. Yo, every chorus in touch. But I'm still waiting for the next song when we see him preview a couple of videos back. Flick it, flick it, flick it, flick it. I'm still waiting for that song to drop.
To be safe, I gotta pick my gun up. Just in case, cause they just might run up. They want me dead, then I just can't let up. No.
Man say, listen, to be safe, I have to pick my gun up. I can't left myself unguarded. I can't left myself careless. I have to pick my gun up. To be safe, I have to have my thing for me. You see me? I not take no chances, brother. One life I have. I not make no boy take my 3 pints. Try and know that.
No problem. We don't understand how we living, how we living, how we living, how we living, how we have to. There's a difference when you living, how you living, and you don't know why you living like this when you don't have to.
There's a difference. There's a difference. Me not have no choice. You not have choice. Me not have no choice. You have some people out here where try to live like that, where have choice or not to live like that. You have some people who are born in a luxury, born in a richness, and still want to live the bad man life. No. We have to do it out here. That is why we are doing it, dog. Try know that, brother. Try know that. Let's go.
We in this for real, my brother. To be safe, I gotta pick my gun up. Just in case, cause they just might run up.
You hear me say again? To be safe, I have to pick my gun up. To be safe, I have to pick it up, brother. I cannot just have it and don't pick it up. I have to pick it up because it is the way of life. Yo, me don't like to spend a day with the G them on the block. And I par with the G them to see how them do them thing. Abra, link the dog. Link in the description. You see me? See me Instagram, my brother. Link me dog. 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 You see? Yeah.
They want me dead, then I just can't let up. That's just the usual.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up. Shit.
Leave it to place. Yeah.
God shit.
Yo, I like the authenticity. You and your big words them again. Why you have to choose big words and can't call big words? What is wrong with them, my youth?
Something alright.
Authenticity. See, let me catch it. Yes, what you say now? Authenticity. Yes. I like the authenticity of this track. Of the videos them when put out. It is really a product of him environment. He must show you when him everyday life basically on the video. He must sing about him everyday life and he must show you, I like this. Authenticity. Let's go.
Get me.
OFB!
Gang, goom.
Gang, coom! Pam, come! Man, you see it? I saw the thing them sound. Let's go.
Pick a set your gun and when we stand on the block. Cause if a nigga run up, we ain't trying to get shot.
You hear that? We'll pick up a gun when time we stamp on the block. And if a boy run up, them skin get burned up. You see it? We cross angry and miserable with it. And we are a bounty killer. Cross angry, miserable, left way. Let's go.
It's them, never us when it's getting on tops. Free up on my brothers that is locked behind locks. I grind non-stop, 24s on the clock.
Free up all of the G them. Lock up. Free up all of the OFB G them. Open up and make it out the road. Freedom is a must. Make it out the road and come chill with your G them and make some money with the G them. Cause Abra right now are one of the top artists in the UK without doubt. So just come join the team, brother, and come make some money with the G them. You see me? Yeah.
Shorty in my ears asking when it's gonna stop. But it ain't gonna stop till I'm satisfied with guap. And them boys RIP over there, hope they drop.
No. Me in the streets like the white line. Every day, 24 hours a day. My woman in my ears are actually say, yo, babes, when this I go stop? I saw you meet me, number one. This is how you meet me. I mean, now go stop because I need that guap there. And furthermore, the up them over there, so RIP to them. I feel burn them skin. You see me? Because Two bull can't reel in a one pen. I must one. We are the Dan over here, so them are the Danisha. Let's go.
We
Dead.
don't understand why we living, how we living, how we living, how we living, how we have to live it. There's a difference when you living, how you living, and you don't know why you living like this when you don't have to.
See it? You see the police them park up on the G them black. You see the police carry them up on the G them black. You don't know operation are going. But the man on the ramp, man them out there see them, you do them thing because them know say down at them life that them have to do it. Them not no choice.
We in this for real, my brother. To be safe, I gotta pick my gun up. Just in case, cause they just might run up. They want me dead, then I just can't let up. No.
Yo, every song the man drop off of the EP. This is a very great piece of work, dog. It is a great piece of work. Your EP is a great piece of work, Abra. I love it, dog. I love it. So far, I react to every song with up on the EP. And when time more drop me, I go react. So guys, be over here and subscribe to the channel. Cause we over here do it. We are work.
That's just the usual.
Trust me, they don't even know how we're living. See up all the guys, trust me.
Free up all the gang. This sound like somebody we are send a message to somebody at prison or somebody send a message out of prison. You see me? Yeah. Big up the G them when in prison. Prison never make for dogs, so one day you don't know if your freedom is near. You see me? Let's go on hold the faith, my G. So have big up yourself again, my G. You do it, so have wait there. So have you do it. Yes, so have you do it. Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. Big up the whole production team. Yo, Abra, remember to link me, no dog. Abra, remember to link me. Loki, tell Abra link me, brother. Tell Abra link me, dog.
Boy, being good, man. Normally, man, drop little previews and that, you get me? Let them know what next source is coming, whatever.
Yeah, that. Normally, in drop like a preview to make you know the next song is coming, but I don't think I'm gonna do it now myself.
It's out now, fully, you got me?
Okay.
Go check the app, put it to my environment out on all streaming platforms.
So basically, he must say, yo, him not gonna drop nothing right now because him mixtape is out. So just go and cut the mixtape if you want to see what is going on. So big up the mixtape. Product of my environment is really a true masterpiece. I said it before, but I have to say it again. Big up yourself, brother. You are back on the scene. Well forward back. You see me? The business did miss you. Comment section and tell me so the business did miss you. Let's go. Yeah, free up the gang. Yeah, man, free up the gang. You don't know, free up the gang. Big up OFB Farm Black. Big up Abra. Big up Kush. Nice track. You see me? So guys, if you don't like the breakdown here, cause it's mainly a breakdown. I don't normally react and nudge my head. Big up all of the other reaction channel them. I do watch you guys as well. Don't think I don't watch them. I watch you know. Big up on yourself. You see me? Big up the whole on yourself. Because I know say yo the hard work we wanna put in as well. You see me? So big up the masterpiece. People go and cut the masterpiece. Product of my environment and our digital platform. Now, go and support the G thing, because you don't know. He's putting out music for us. And also, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here. See it, yeah? Yeah. Follow me on Instagram. You don't know. Abra, link me. Guys, if you don't like it, leave a like. You see me? Like the breakdown, leave a like. If you don't want to see more, subscribe. If you don't do that already. And me out of here. Too much talking. I'll see you in the next one. See?